All right, we are back for more game dev here. Today, let's look. Got um let's see. All right. We need to do a fast travel system. And what we're going to be doing is just kind of setting up the map, the interactive map that we'll use. It's going to be very pretty simple, I hope. But yeah, that's our goal. Um, so let's start off by, let's see, let's make folder, say interactive app. Okay, so let's go to our folder over here. Let's make another folder. So let's create group, that's what it was. Okay. And let's create an object. Call it what should we call, what should we start out with? Should be fairly simple. Um, let's see, obj teleport island1 island. Create, let's see, let's just say like teleport x is equal to 0 and 0. Okay. So our teleport location will be somewhere. Where are we gonna have like a dock or something? Like down here? This seems like a pretty good like I remove. Yeah, let's go to our tract resources. Delete this thing. Let's go and let's also delete this fishing spot here. Where is our this one? Fish. No, it's not fishing stuff. Here we go. Oh, it's a what? Stuff. Fractions. All right. Cool. All right. So we're gonna be putting like a little boat here or something. I don't know. Um, somewhere in here, like a dock. Go up and interact with it. And my idea is that when you interact with the boat, it pulls up like a big map that kind of covers most of your screen, and it'll show the different islands that we have built. And so if we wanted to fast travel to other islands, we would just hover over those islands, left click, and be off. So for this teleport here, we're gonna have actually wait, right? Okay. Where I need a reference just so I can It's what is something that is similar to zero left click. The buttons in is something very close to this. All right. Yeah. So this is okay. We need this, and we want this. Okay. That's what we're looking for. So let's get a step event up in here, and all right. Okay. Mouse down. False. So capital. All right. So, all right. So image index 1. Not really. Yeah. Okay. And then 0. Okay. Mouse left click. Yeah. Position medium. Self. Mouse down is equal to false. Okay. And then, all right. Perfect. All right. We don't really have a. We're gonna need to make a sprite for this. But first, we're gonna say we need to move the player. So let's see. What was our player? It was like EC. Is it ECU? Yeah. Dot x is equal to teleport x, and then we just do y. All right. That's the basis of this. And then we need to change where this location is. And let's look. So where do we want them to spawn? Probably like where the dock is, like here. 111999. That's a pretty funny spot, but it's a pretty accurate spot. 111999. Anyways, that's cool. All right. So another thing that we do need to do is increase this. So let's do 4800 by 3200. And we have more space. All right. We need a little more space than that, but let's see. Okay, we do need a little more space than that because we need to have a little bit of a black zone between these islands here. Let's see. Do 5,000. Oh, all right. Okay. All right, so we need to probably rename this to foreground art island 1, just so, because when we add more islands, we need to make sure that we're separating their art from the other art of the islands. And I also need to figure out, like, tile pack I'm gonna use, because I really don't know. Ugh, okay. But we are going to make add a layer, new folder, island art. It's in here. Right, I forgot. My bad. So basically what happened there was it hated the fact that I moved into a folder. So we're gonna have to yeah, we're gonna have to, let's see, open a repo. No, that's not what. New tab. Oh, it is. Why is it? Want to update? Why is it saying I don't have any? Um. Okay. It's not it. Alright, let's check game. Alright, so it's project prototypes. Making studio. Right here. Project prototypes. Select full. There you go. That's why. Alright, so basically we need to undo our this stuff. Just we stage this stuff, and we need to quick fix push. All right, so we don't want these. I don't. Let's just delete. Oh, that's okay. Well, I did not want to delete that file. That's awkward. That's what I wanted to do and not delete the file, but let's hope that didn't actually delete the file, because that would be tragedy. Let's go just open it. All right, and we're back to normal. Just rename this to, need to do all those renaming things again. We need to div map. Yeah, all right. That's probably, I think that's what. Let's well, we need to also remove the plum tree. Just remove this fishing spot. Then in our foreground art, we're going to just grab. All right, there we go. Now, good. Okay, let's check our objects. Looks like we lost some of this stuff. Yeah, it looks like we lost all our progress. That's okay though. What do we call this again? I don't remember. Teleport. Excellent. All right. What was the next thing we needed? Oh yeah, mouse down. All right. And then we needed to open this thing. Yeah. All right. And here, scale this. Let's change this. Okay. All right. Ugh. All right. So this is basically what this is will okay, initiate teleport. That's what this kind of function is doing here. And then all the logic for initiating the teleport will be here. So one of the things we do need to do is hide the interactive map. We're gonna add a sublayer, an instance sublayer. We're going to say the teleport buttons. And then we're gonna add another sublayer. It's gonna be called app art. So, and this should be, yeah, like that, I think, yeah. So now in our here, we need to do like instance deactivate layer teleport it's the layer ID or teleport buttons. It's not. We need to do a like get ID. So instance. Let's go look for that. That's it. Where was I just supposed to have? Oh, wait, no, maybe it is just I need to put strings around it. Okay. Yeah. Cool. And then we need to do the same for the app art. Alright. So that'll close the map. And what we're also need to do is create the object for the boat. Wait. Ash travel boats. Alright. And what this will do is it'll hold the sprite that the travel boat will look like, and it'll also enable us to open the map and close the map, I think. Or just open the map, just to be able to open the map. So what do we need for that? Is map. I hope you can't hear that because there's some vacuum in the background. Is map open? So we're gonna say false. I need much more than that. And we're gonna say we need okay. Um, all right. Okay, so now in here, we need to open the map. Okay. So this will be alright, let me go. We need to we need to just take this. And we need to say activate. Should be good. Yeah. Alright. We activated it, so let's open the map. Okay. So what should the map do we do for this? Let's create an object and just call it interactive map background. Let's create a group for the interactive map sprites. Let's make right here. Let's call it background. Okay, something like that. We need. Okay, what's our screen size? Our screen size is, let's go look. Need to go to our room project 2400 viewports. Put 0, 800 by 600. So we need a little less than that. So we're gonna want it to be like 750 by 565 or something. Just about that. Okay. So yeah, let's get our outline. Let's wait, it's like okay. Color should I don't know. Let's do this. That. Okay. So now we need to probably fill it in. Yeah. I don't know. We'll start with like something like this. Kind of strange, I know, but hopefully it'll eventually be better when I can add like art to this. Simple art. Um, okay. That's that. Okay. So let's now create a sprite. We actually, I don't know if we'll create it, but okay. I might try and find like a sprite for this. So I think on, let's see. Yeah, look at this. Looks so good, doesn't it? Like this one. That's such a long name. Okay, so now we can go to here. Save the name, but we don't really sprite anymore. Now drag into here. The file path is too long. Okay. There. Wow, I was okay. Alright, so now we need to clean it up. Obviously, whoever did this is the dot do job. Um, oh my. Oh my. Why does it look like that? Holy hell. Okay, let's undo this. Alright. So, okay. Do I really need to go in and like this each one? Probably not. Alright, so what we're gonna do. Make our life a little bit quicker. My gosh. My mouse is going crazy. Alright. Let's zoom in so we can get kind of a... Alright, now, eraser. Let's just start getting rid of it. Alright. Like that. Alright. Okay. Okay. If you ever get a mouse, don't get this freaking G Pro light mouse. This shit is awful. I think it's hardware issues, like scroll wheel issues. It's your... It will... It's really just a gamble on what direction your scroll wheel will go, even if you're not touching it. Like, here, I'll use it here, and it'll move up. Bruh. I didn't want that. I was trying to just move my camera. What's up? Okay. We're almost done, you know? See, this is why maybe I should have looked for longer if I found like a sprite that actually, like this sprite, just but like someone actually had an invisible background, but it's okay, you know? It is what it is. It is what it is. Alright, dude, I just realized, like, how would a cruise ship, like, realistically, like, come in here? Like, I guess they come in and they back out. I don't know. Alright, so let's go with we get our object, fast travel boat 1. Let's do interactive map, fast travel boat. Alright, let's see. This can be in the interaction there. Holy moly, that thing is big. Anyways. There we go. Fixed. Alright. Ugh. Stretching. Alright. So, and do we have a, like, set of whatever? Alright. There's our little ship. Oh, nice, beautiful ship. Let's save. Alright. And we need to go to our map art. Let's see. Helper buttons. Art, map art here. Interactive map background. Sprite. Alright, and then let's bring it to this layer. Alright, so now, so what we're gonna do here is on create of this boat, we're going to deactivate the map art. Alright, let's just go see what's up with this. Alright. Alright, so we have our boat here. Right click it, and it turns it on. So this is not the good thing, right? It's not like kind of in our view. It's not really in our view, and we don't want that. So we're gonna have to figure out how to do that. Without like tearing out my hair. So how do we know where our map should sit? So we kind of went through the struggles of doing that with our fishing game. So we can just go quick. See, look. This is, yeah. Oh, that's the constrained position. It's not what we're doing. Yeah, see here. When we are activating the fishing minigame, we are moving this XY position of this thing to the right place. And that was this center of screen X thing. So what we can do here is there a way to move an entire instance layer? How to move move instance layer, move objects, move. It's just okay. I don't know. I think what we need to do is in our sprites to make sure this is middle center. The origin is in the center. We can just test it on this thing. So everything will basically, every piece of, every object that I make will be based off of this background. This background's location, I should clarify. So since this background location, so let's see. Let's see. How do we get the center screen? Okay, we have actually a variable for that, so let's just use that variable we used for the other thing. All right, where's my crap? Here it is. All right, so I'm gonna say if all right. So where should we put this activate map variable? We probably want to let's just make a object and call it interactive map manager. And we're just going to put crap in here like that. Activate map variable right here. All right. So in here we need to say obj interactive map manager dot activate map is true. We will then say x is equal to obj what is it? PC unicorn dot center of screen x, and then y we do the same thing. So obj ECU dot center screen y. So now let's see what we got here. Let's go look at it. Let's just look at it before we do anything else. And it crashed. So unable to find object, interactive map back. Oh, oops. Yeah. Okay. I forgot to put the manager in scene, which we will just create it here. And Jackson. There we go. Now let's go. All right. So this leads me to believe that the center screen X and Y is in this top left. Okay. So that just means that we can do this. And theoretically, should just work. Now, strange. Wait, let's actually open our center screen X and Y. Is this actually getting the center of our screen? I think it is. Should be. So then, why is it being weird? Did I do something else wrong besides this? Oh, my gosh, am I stupid? Wait, I'm never setting this activate map to true, or am I? So, ah, I'm not awake. I must not be awake. Isn't real. All right. So in our here, go to obj cu dot. Oh, oh no, it's not PC. obj interactive map manager dot map is equal to true, and then you're going to set equal to here. All right, let's look. Let's look. Oh. And then need to redo the center. All right. There we go, guys. Guys, it's okay. Just a little stupid. And for some reason, It still hates me. Put that. Why is it up there? Why would it be up there? Am I doing this wrong? It's not moving this thing right here. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. Honestly, I really do not know. What if? There. That equal to true. And then get rid of that. Okay. That's the problem. Alright, so now we need to say here instead of here, we'll go obj pcu dot is busy is equal to true. So this will I believe this function will stop the player from being able to move. And that's what we want. And then yeah, we'll turn it to false when the map goes away. So we'll say like we'll create a variable in manager and say map open. Then over here we will say j sorry. We're going to not do what I just did. This thing. And we're gonna go is map open is equal to true. And then down here, if is map open is equal to true, we can then say if the actually and keyboard check released vk escape, I believe is what we're trying to get. Then we say take this here, instance deactivate, and then we do like dot is busy. All right. So let's just check it out, I guess. What's up? Here. Press escape. Doesn't do anything. Okay. Let's. Oh, yeah, okay. This needs to be this. At least that's one of the reasons why it's not working. So we go here and escape. Here, escape. Here, escape. Here. We also can't move. We escape. Alright, there we go. See? Not that bad. Not that bad. Didn't take that long at all. Alright, so now let's go to our teleport island. And when we do press teleport, we do want to deactivate. Oh, looks like we already did this. And then we also want to say is our obj ECU dot is busy to false as well. Gotta remember that part. All right, cool. Yeah. Okay. So what we're gonna do is just make a little test here. So it's supposed to make a sprite. That's just going to be island1 icon. And then here, we're just going to make a really quick, like, I don't know, color do we want? Like this, I guess. And then we just like this, and then just like this, and then we say like that. Then we go, I don't know, brown. We need a brown here, and then just like this. That looks terrible. That looks better. Okay. And then let's get this color again. Be like a lighter. There we go. And then it's fine. And then let's go grab our right. Okay, and then we need to do this. Okay. Um, there, I guess. Uh, and then there, this, and then there. It's whatever. It's want a lighter color here, like that. All right. There's a little island, 3 dragons on it. All right. So now we can go into our teleport buttons. We will then here. Oh, is this bright? No. Nope. That is not. There we go. And then in our sprite again, we will, okay, and here, let's just do like this quick kind of, I really like, see, red is good for highlighting, but it typically means a bad thing, and we don't want that. We want a way to highlight this island. How do I highlight this? Like typically it'd be yellow, but this yellow I can't really see around this. Okay, no, I got an idea. So I have an idea. All right, so in our sprite, we want to middle center this, and then that. Okay. All right, so in our, I'm a little all over the place right now, but when they hover, instead of changing the image index, we will say, okay, how do we do scale? How do we change the scale of the object? It's like scale X or I don't know. I thought it was scale X. Y scale. Y. Your image. Y scale. That's what it was. Something like, right? I think. I think that's how that works. Not sure. We'll check it out. It's gone. Right. Wait. Am I right? Wait. No. So this, I need to do the offset thing. So basically, just like how we did this right here, we need to do that in our button. And then, but we need to do then just say like plus, or probably more than that, huh? Let's just do, let's just make sure it's in the frame by overcompensating its move. All right. So it's kind of like, yeah, I mean, you kind of see how, right? Like, see my idea here. Yeah, holy 200, put it all the way over there. Why? Oh, because it goes from the middle? Okay, well, so that means that this needs to be negative 200. Kind of like that, I think. And then this needs to be 3. This needs to be 3. That or something. All right. Let's just look at this. Look, wait, aren't I just a genius? See, look. Oh, well, it doesn't work yet, but you know. Oh, it does work actually. It just looked a little weird because it. Yeah, okay. When we teleport, we also need to teleport the. What is it called? The thingy thing, thing. Where? Where? What would that be on? What am I using to move the character? Let's go look at the OBJ tar X and Y. Alright. So now here we're looking for button. So along with this, we need to put this you know, um, just so it won't look a little funky. Ah. All right. That crap. All right. How about this? We will go to okay. So basically, what's happening is that it's working when I click the button, but since it's not tipping me to a different location and that same mouse click that's like clicking like around here or whatever is moving my character immediately after I teleport, and it looks really bad. It looks like nothing's happening. We don't really want that. So what we're gonna do is go here. We're going to we're gonna move it here and see if that fixes it. If not, we can put a little delay on it, and that will Okay, so that didn't fix it. So let's go and like this. All right, and then here, say alarm 0 is equal to 60. Here we go. See? And now we are stuck because this button got deleted. Yay! Okay, so we're close. We have the idea, but execution right there. So, wait, actually, can I just cut event and then go to our here, paste event. Look at that. All right. So now back to our island. Basically, this will just be like reach a interactive map manager dot 0 to 60. Boom. Look at that. Woo, yay. That should work. And there. Perfect. Perfect. Look at that. All right. That's my idea. How long? I don't know how long it's been. It's been about an hour and 20 minutes. Okay, so I think I'm going to take a break there and work on something else. But this is kind of the basis of what I was like thinking about. We'll start making the. I'll probably have to go and look for some spreadsheets or something to make a different island. But this is kind of what I was envisioning with my map, is eventually getting like multiple islands kind of around here and being able to teleport to them using the boat system. And that's kind of how I move between different islands, and I'll like expand content that way. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow for another devlog.